So, how to create a new table with foreign key. Okay, and this is my new table name. Set create table, give your table name, and set the attribute of your table. Okay, now the field's name is cell ID, which is the primary key. Okay, and identify from one. Okay, and then give the cell name, which is the bar character. Okay, and the size 25. Then I have added a brand ID, which is the foreign key. Okay, and that references the table name where I have to use. Okay, this is the table name brand, and the column name of brand is brand ID. Okay, now copy this code, go to SQL Studio. Look at this, and this is the table that I have created before, and this is the table name brand. uh, there are only two fields, brand ID, which is the primary key for this table, and I have declared an column name brand name, which is the bar character and size 25, but I want to use this ID in another table. Okay, so the another table is cell, and where I have declared cell ID and cell name, and also declare a parent ID, which is the primary key from parent table. Okay, so the declare format is parent ID integer type, that is the foreign key, and references your table. Okay, this is the table name parent. Okay, and this is the column name of your parent ID. I have declared a new brand ID, which is to be used in this table. Now select this and then execute. Okay. Then see your table. Control C, Control V. Okay. Select star. Select all the values from your table and from your table name. Execute. Cell ID, cell name, and this is the brand ID which I have already created as a foreign key. Okay, now enter some information. So how to add this? Look at here. Cell ID is equal to 1 and cell name is equal to Samsung M02, but brand ID which is none. Then if you want again insert a cell name Samsung M02, but brand ID will be pressed from 1. So insert your value into a database. Yeah. Okay. and execute. Now see the result. Okay, cell ID and cell name, and this is the brand ID.